guys, and welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video, I want to share with you guys how I made 2 farmhouse style spring wreaths for my home. Now, some of the things that I use, well, basically the florals that I use in this DIY was from Walmart and Target, but I still consider this a Dollar Tree DIY because the florals that I did use were 97 cents, and I did use one from Target that was more than 97 cents, but I do show you guys an alternative that you can find at Walmart as well that is 97 cents. So to me, they're still under $1, so I still consider this a Dollar Tree DIY. If this is the first time you've ever come to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video so that you can join my YouTube family, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on the new videos that I put out. So let's just jump right in and get started on this DIY so I can share with you guys how I made these beautiful wreaths for my home. Now, the wreaths that I'm using for this DIY are from Dollar Tree, and they come in 2 different sizes, and they also come in 2 different colors. They have a brown color, but I decided to use the beige one because I like the light tones in my home, so I wanted to use the beige because on one of the wreaths I want the actual wreath to show through, so I love the beige tones. So for the first one, I'm going to use this greenery that I found at Target a while back, but if you can't find it, this is a great alternative that you can find at Walmart. This little 97 cents floral arrangement that they have at Walmart right now that looks just like the one that I got from Target. I removed the greenery pieces off of the brown vine that it came on, and I'm going to use the stems of the greenery pieces to basically poke through the wreath to basically attach them. You don't need to use glue for this because the stems attach pretty tightly and well onto the wreath, but if you want some more security, if you want to add glue, you can, but I didn't feel like it was necessary. Now, when you're doing this, make sure that you're putting the greenery in the same direction as it's wrapping around the wreath to give it that farmhouse feel look. If you put the greenery in different directions, this wreath will turn out kind of wonky and look kind of different. But if you want that farmhouse greenery feel, that greenery wreath feel, I've seen many of them with, in their pictures that they have the stems and the leaves going all in the same direction, so it looks like kind of like a whirlpool wrapped around the wreaths. So if you want that look, make sure that your stems and your greenery are all going in the same direction as you're attaching them to the wreath. For this wreath, I wanted a full look, so I used a lot of the greenery. So this wreath cost me around $5 to $6. For my next wreath, I'm going to be using the larger wreath of the 2, and I'm going to be using these lavender flowers that I found at Walmart for 97 cents. I love the look of these flowers. They look so farmhouse, they look so real. I just fell in love with these flowers, and I actually am using them in another part of my home as well to decorate for spring, a farmhouse style to decorate for spring in my home. So I will share that with you guys later. But for this wreath, I'm not going to use as many greenery, as many floral as I did with the last one to make it full. Because I like the look of the beige wreath, I actually want to have the beige wreath show through this wreath instead. So for this wreath, I'm going to be using the flowers, but not as many, so that you still get that flower look, but then you still get that farmhouse feel of the wreath behind it, that beige, that wood behind it. I kind of wanted it to show through. So this one will not be as full as the last one. So if you would like for yours to be fuller, you might want to use more bunches than I did. This one only cost me about $4 to make because I only used 3 of the flower bunches and 1 of the wreaths. But again, if you want to make it more fuller, you can buy more of the flowers. I love the look of the wood peeking through in this wreath. It looks so farmhouse to me. But again, you can use more flowers if you want a fuller look. And that is it for this DIY, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I inspired you to create some beautiful wreaths of your own for your own home. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram with your creations, or show me in the comments areas down below. I love to see when you guys take my creations and recreate them on your own. And I hope I showed you that you don't have to only use Dollar Tree floral or greenery, because Walmart has so many beautiful flowers and greenery for 97 cents right now that you can create so many DIYs and decor pieces in your home. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this pantry sign that you guys see in the video that's above my pantry door. I made it with Dollar Tree items. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.